Looking for the best car jack that won't let you down when it really matters. Today we're ranking 5 top models from worst to best so you can choose with confidence. Kicking off our list at the bottom is the big red scissor jack. Now, this one might not blow you away with performance, but it's a common pick for people who want something compact and basic for emergencies. It's light, it's simple, and it can get the job done. Just don't expect miracles. One of the best things about it is how portable it is. It's small enough to tuck in your trunk and forget about until you need it. The wide base gives it decent stability, and the forged steel build makes it tough enough for most small to mid-sized cars. It's the kind of jack you'd want to have on a road trip, but just in case. But let's be honest, it's not exactly user-friendly. Since it's fully manual, you'll be cranking it by hand, which takes time and effort, especially if you're not used to it. And because the max height tops out around 15 inches, it's definitely not the jack for lifting taller vehicles like trucks or SUVs. If you're on a tight budget or just need a backup jack for emergencies, this could be worth picking up. But if you're planning regular use or have a heavier vehicle, there are much better options up ahead. And hey, if any of these jacks catch your eye, check the description below for the best price on each one. Next up, we've got the DNA motoring low-profile hydraulic jack. This one's a bit of a step up from the big red, more stable, easier to use, and better suited for frequent use around the garage or driveway. It's still on the basic side, but it delivers a decent lift with less effort. It's built with heavy-duty materials and comes with swivel casters, which is great if you're constantly moving it around. It's got a low profile, so it can slide under smaller vehicles easily. Plus, it has built-in overload protection, so you don't have to worry about accidentally pushing it too far. That said, it's not without flaws. The lift height maxes out at just 13 inches, which again puts it out of the running for taller SUVs or trucks. And we've seen some reports of hydraulic issues over time, things like fluid leaks or weakening performance after a few uses. If you drive a compact or sedan and need something basic for light-duty work, this jack does a respectable job. Before we move on, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Taking the middle spot is the Powerbuilt Uni Jack, and this one's a bit of a hybrid. It combines a bottle jack with a built-in jack stand, which means you can lift and hold your vehicle securely without needing separate equipment. It's a clever design, and for certain use cases, it's incredibly handy. What makes it really stand out is the stability. That wide base keeps it steady even on softer surfaces, and it's compatible with both unibody and body-on-frame vehicles. It's rated for up to 6,000 pounds, which means it can handle heavier vehicles without breaking a sweat. But, and this is important, it's not ideal for everything. The minimum height is 11 inches, which rules out most low clearance cars. And while it's compact in one sense, the tall body can make it awkward to fit under some vehicles. Some users also report issues with the release mechanism being a little finicky. If you've got a truck, SUV, or crossover and want something that handles lifting and holding in one tool, this is a really convenient pick. Just make sure your car sits high enough to fit it underneath. Runner-up on our list is the STANDTALL electric jack. This one's for all of you who hate cranking jacks manually, or who just want a smarter, easier way to lift a vehicle. Plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, hit the button, and watch it do the work. It's got a solid lifting range and can handle up to 6,600 pounds, which is plenty for most cars and SUVs. It even has a built-in LED light, which comes in handy during nighttime roadside emergencies. And it includes a waterproof design, making it a solid pick for all weather conditions. But the trade-off here is stability. The base is small, and on uneven or soft ground, it's not the most reliable. Some users have also experienced issues with durability, like brackets bending or electrical failures under heavy loads. Plus, the warranty is pretty limited, and for anyone who wants convenience above all else, especially for occasional roadside use, this one's hard to beat. Just remember to practice using it before an emergency so you know what to expect. And finally, taking the top spot is the Jack Boss hydraulic floored jack. This one checks all the boxes: low profile, high capacity, smooth operation, and solid build. If you're looking for a jack you can rely on, especially in your home garage, this is the one. What sets it apart is the dual piston pump that makes lifting fast and smooth. It's built from a hybrid of aluminum and steel, so while it's heavy duty, it's also surprisingly manageable for its size. And with a lift range that starts under 4 inches, it's perfect for low-slung sports cars too. Of course, it's not the lightest jack on the list, and like all floor jacks, you'll need to pair it with jack stands to work safely under your car. Also, aluminum parts can be more vulnerable to damage if misused, but that's true for any lightweight jack. If you want the best overall performance, especially for regular use on a variety of vehicles, this is the one to get. It's fast, strong, and engineered for serious work. That wraps up our list. If you're ready to grab one of these jacks, check out the links in the description to get the best deal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews just like this.